Okay, everybody. I bought this Topps Holiday Mega Box yesterday. I'm gonna break it. It's supposed to come with one relic, an autograph, or autograph relic in every box. Uh, they're going for about $30 at Target. I've noticed them in there recently. Um, so let's take a look at this. I kind of teared it right here so I could open it easily on camera. Let's open the box up. So we're obviously looking for good players. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Hey, an LED Cruz rookie card. That's pretty good right there. That's actually a really nice one. Put that to the side. I'll have to look up the value on that. As you can see, they come with a lot of packs. So put this to the side so it looks better. If I can actually get it in there. There we go. Put it off to the side. Let's start breaking. Let's see if we get anything good. That De La Cruz rookie is actually really decent card right there. Well, these are going to be hard to open, I think. Yeah. Wonder what auto I end up getting. I do like the design on these. Austin Riley. That's a nice card. There. Nah, this feels thicker. I'm gonna save that to the end, I think. That one feels thicker to me. Oh. They're quite hard to open. Okay, going to try and put the rookies to the side right here. Good amount of rookies in this pack. Yeah, those to the side. Go through the others real quick. The rookies out. Okay. I thought that pack felt thick, but this one feels thick too. But it's not. Pretty much just a lot of base. Oh, there's another De La Cruz rookie card. There you go. Gaines rookie. Okay. I was probably wrong about that jersey being in that one pack, but we'll hold it till the end, just in case I'm right. So looks like I just got the relic. So Sandy Alcantara right there. It's not numbered. It's nothing special. We'll put that to the side though. Keep on opening. Jason Dominguez. Okay. So far, not a terrible pack, especially with the two De La Cruz rookie cards. Especially the ornament. I don't know what those are going for, but sure it's a decent amount. Goes out at Tuve there. Okay. Down to our last 4 packs. It's pretty decent value considering it's $30 for this with the patch and then the rookie cards. So I'm not saying it will be the same on every one, but pretty decent value in the box considering the amount of rookies that you get per pack. Trying to keep everything separated. Oh, I forgot about that pack in the corner. We'll still have that one too. For Christmas for somebody, I mean, this is a pretty good deal considering if you have children, they have a lot of packs to open. Yeah, that was a fully base pack. We can get a last pack magic right here. Doesn't look like it. Okay, put the rookies there. Again, a lot of rookies in this, so you have good chances of hitting rookies. So, overall, pretty decent. I mean, look at the amount of rookies cards we got right there. We also got the Ellie De La Cruz ornament. That is, looks like it has a little, no, that's not a ding. It's in really good shape, actually. So I'll have to look that up, but overall, pretty decent for a $30 pack. If you guys have any questions, comments, teach me anything, I'm not an expert. Thanks for watching, and like, comment, and subscribe. I'm just starting off. This isn't my standard thing. I just thought I'd break a box. Thanks, everybody.